Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Liana Shafika binti Abdul Syukur. So today I'm going to present to you about student behavior in investment. But first thing first, I will introduce to you the unit trust company that I choose, which is Kenanga Investors Sdn Bhd. So what is Kenanga Investors Sdn Bhd? Kenanga is a financial group in Malaysia with extensive experience in Islamic banking, investment management, investment banking, wealth management, and a lot more. And for your information, Kenanga already established for more than 45 years. Today, I have two products to introduce to you, which is the first one is Kenanga Balance Funds and the second one is Kenanga Blue Chip Funds. So now I will explain to you about the first product, which is Kenanga Balance Fund. So this fund is actually aimed to provide a portfolio investment with a lower risk and lower volatility for investors. This fund is very suitable for investors who are willing to accept a moderate risk in order to achieve a reasonable return on their capital over the medium to long term period. So moving on to our next product, which is Kenanga Blue Chip Fund. This fund is aimed to achieve a long term capital growth through investment in companies that have a relatively larger market capitalization. And this fund is very suitable for investors who are seeking a capital growth, have moderate to high risk tolerance, and can withstand significant short-term volatilities and a long-term investment horizon. Next, moving on to our next part, which is student behavior in investment. For the first behavior is students always follow information in reviews or news to deciding to make an investment, because students are likely to make an investment after hearing a rumors. The more information that they receive, the more confident they are to make an investment, even though they don't know the information that they have is accurate or not. Second behavior is the other student decision also impact the decision of student investor. If the student invests without knowing other student decision, and they will not invest if the other student also decided to not invest. When the student are influenced in other student decision, it can lead to inaccurate investment decision. Next behavior is student with limited experience and expertise will impact investment decision, because student with high experience, they know how to handle the challenge that they face, and the student that don't have much experience, they will hesitate to start invest because they start to overthink the obstacle and the challenge that they would face. Next, students with high financial literacy will more interested to invest because they know the useful of the money in the future. But mostly students are likely to use their money in the wrong way, such as buying and spending in expensive products. Next behavior that we always see is students always looking to make money and always are willing to take risk to do so. The behavior number 6 is students are not financially stable to invest. But if the student have a high financially literacy knowledge, they will find a way to save their money and do the investment. Last behavior is the student use their study loan to do the investment, because the study loan is the only sources of income that they have to buy and pay their daily basis thing. Next, we're moving on to our third part, which is tactic in getting attention and create awareness about investment to students. The tactic number 1 that we can do is expose students about investment through social media that they always use, like Instagram and TikTok. The next tactic that we can use is conduct a talk event at the university. So the next tactic that we can use is collaboration with university. Next, we can collaboration with well-known public figure such as Saraswati and Iman Troy. Next tactic that we can use is to collaboration with telecommunication company. Next, we can offer online classes to students about investment. Always keep in touch with the old student investor. Lastly, for the recommendation, I have two recommendations, which is making the product highlight sheet more easily to understand by a student. And the second one is company investment can assign a phone number or email address to assist students who want to participate in investment. Thank you.